Welcome to Food from My Kitchen. In today's episode of Keto Cooking, we will be making a beetroot and feta salad, celeriac salad, pan-fried asparagus, and a lovely tuna steak. To get the lowdown on how we do it, keep watching this video for step-by-step instructions. Here are the main ingredients you'll need. Tuna steaks, asparagus, celeriac. We will be using this to make a delicious potato salad substitute. 150 milliliters of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, red onion, fresh chives, fresh coriander, 500 grams of cooked peeled beetroot. Yes, beetroot is a delicious root veg you can enjoy in a keto lifestyle. Just eat in small quantities. 100 grams of feta cheese, fresh garlic, lemon, To begin, we will prepare a delicious potato salad substitute, celeriac salad. Cut your celeriac in half and save the other half for another recipe. Now take your time and peel thoroughly. Once you've peeled as much as you can, you'll notice some parts at the bottom of the celeriac that the peeler didn't quite reach. Use a knife and very carefully cut those parts out. Now cut the celeriac into small, bite-sized chunks. Put the celeriac in a pot and boil on a medium heat. Be sure to season the water with a little table salt. The addition of salt will help to bring out the natural flavours in the celeriac. Turn the heat down a little and simmer for 20 minutes or until a knife can pass through the celeriac with ease. Once done, drain the water off and place the celeriac in a bowl to completely cool. This should take about an hour. Leave it near an open window to speed the process, and we'll come back to this later. Next, we will make an elegant beetroot and feta cheese salad. Grate the beetroot using a cheese grater, and then transfer to a bowl, making sure to squeeze away a little of the excess liquid with your hands. Then season with rock salt, a dash of black pepper, and a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, then gently mix to combine. Now crumble in the feta cheese using your fingers. Save a small amount of feta in your hand while you mix through a little. Then add the remainder, just to sprinkle on top. Preparation for the celeriac salad. We're going to use about 1/3 of our onion, then peel the skin, dice, to one side. Then get the chives and slice them as finely as you can. And rest them to one side. Now get your bunch of coriander. Roll it into a cylinder and roughly chop. Now get your cooked celeriac from earlier, and only once it has completely cooled, add the diced onion, the chives, and coriander. Now get your sour cream and add that in also. Lastly, grab your mayonnaise and add that to the bowl too. Then mix thoroughly. Season to individual taste with table salt and a dash of black pepper, and mix again to combine. Now that your celeriac salad is good to go, we can prepare the asparagus. Remove the ends of the asparagus and discard. Then get your fresh garlic cloves and dice. We will also be needing some lemon. Let's use about half. Now into a preheated pan, add a knob of butter and let it melt. Now add the asparagus, maneuver it around the butter, and then throw in the garlic. Once the garlic starts to soften, turn the heat down to low and add a little more butter if need be. Then squeeze the lemon. The total cooking time is approximately 8 minutes, or until the asparagus softens. Once the asparagus is nearly done, correct the seasoning with a little rock salt and black pepper. Let's season those tuna steaks. Throw on a little salt, a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, a tablespoon of paprika, a teaspoon of chili flakes, and a teaspoon of dried parsley, and then rub together until coated. Now get your frying pan up to temperature with a little olive oil, and only once it is hot enough, add the tuna steaks. The total cooking time is approximately 6 minutes. I recommend using a timer and cooking for 3 minutes on each side. Keep an eye on it. We want a nice charring on the tuna. We don't want to overcook it. Feel free to add lemon for some extra zing. And we've done it. We've made a beetroot and feta salad, celeriac salad, pan-fried asparagus, and tuna steaks. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and thank you so much for your presence. Be sure to check out another episode of Keto Cooking, and if you want to be notified of the next video upload, like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Also, here on this channel, Food from My Kitchen, this is a community, so feel free to comment below if you have made this recipe. And do tell if you've done any of it differently. I'd love to hear your suggestions, so keep them coming.